Welcome back to Remedy Science. Have you ever wondered why some people never seem to get sick, while others are constantly battling colds, fatigue, or worse? It's not just luck, it's all about the small, consistent habits they've built. Today, I'm going to share some scientifically proven, simple steps that can help you stay healthy, avoid frequent illnesses, and feel your absolute best every day. Stick around because these tips could truly transform your life. And hey, if you're serious about your health, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more life-changing tips and insights. Nourish your body with the right foods. Ever heard the saying, "You are what you eat"? It's true. If your diet is full of processed foods, your immune system is basically running on empty. But adding a few powerful foods can turn things around. Oranges, kiwis, and bell peppers are your vitamin C superheroes. Think of them as your immune system's fuel. Want to boost it even more? Add zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds or lentils. Your body will thank you. Remember, eating a rainbow isn't just for Instagram, it's for your health. Sleep like your health depends on it. Be honest, how many of you are running on caffeine and 5 hours of sleep? I get it, life gets busy. But here's the deal, when you sleep, your body repairs itself and strengthens its defenses. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep, and if you struggle, try a bedtime ritual: no screens, a cup of chamomile tea, and maybe a calming book. Trust me, your immune system will love you for it. Move your body daily. Here's the cool part, you don't need to run a marathon to boost your immunity. Just 30 minutes of moderate activity like walking or yoga can make a huge difference. Exercise helps immune cells travel through your body faster, like a superhighway for your defenses. So, whether it's a walk with your dog or dancing in your living room, get moving. Drink water like it's your job. Did you know dehydration can actually weaken your immune system? Most of us don't drink enough water. Here's an easy fix: carry a water bottle everywhere. And if plain water feels boring, squeeze in some lemon for a vitamin C boost. Your body will feel refreshed, and so will your immune system. Stress less, live more. Let's get real, stress is a part of life. But chronic stress? That's your immune system's worst enemy. Find what works for you, whether it's 10 minutes of meditation, journaling, or even just playing with your pet. Reducing stress is as important as eating right. Take it one day at a time. Your mind and body deserve it. Practice basic hygiene. One of the easiest ways to stay healthy. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, focusing on your fingers, nails, and wrists. Avoid touching your face, especially your eyes, nose, and mouth, as these are entry points for germs. Keep commonly touched surfaces like doorknobs, keyboards, and phones clean by disinfecting them regularly. These simple habits can significantly reduce your risk of getting sick. Stay clean, stay healthy. Research by notable doctors. Experts has emphasized several strategies to maintain a strong immune system and prevent frequent illnesses. Lifestyle choices. Dr. Neha Vyas from the Cleveland Clinic highlights the importance of regular exercise, which supports a robust immune system. Simple activities like walking can be effective. Additionally, managing stress through relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga and maintaining social connections also benefit immune health. Nutrition. Dr. Lisa Valente, a registered dietitian, advises focusing on a balanced diet rich in immunity-boosting foods like citrus fruits, garlic, ginger, and green tea. Adequate hydration and reducing sugar intake also play key roles. Hygiene and air quality. Basic practices such as frequent hand washing and maintaining clean air by using purifiers or humidifiers, especially in dry environments, are essential. This reduces exposure to pathogens and other harmful irritants. Sleep and recovery. Adequate rest is critical for immune recovery. Dr. Vyas suggests listening to your body, particularly when sick, and prioritizing sleep to allow the immune system to repair and strengthen. Supplements and multivitamins. Supplements can help fill nutritional gaps, but consulting a healthcare provider is crucial to avoid overdoses or interactions with other medications. These expert insights align with evidence-based recommendations to keep the immune system in optimal condition. If you'd like more personalized advice, consider consulting your healthcare provider. These habits might seem small, but when done consistently, they can transform your life. Start with one change today, maybe adding some vitamin C to your meals or drinking more water, and build from there. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share this with someone who's always getting sick. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying healthy and thriving.